luck, guys. We will come back to the question number 3, okay? So before I go into the question, I just want to tell you something, okay? A small example. Let me have a small game, small example. What's the example means? I just write on the board. Please look carefully, okay? So what I have means, I have a number called 3, okay? What's the inverse of 3? The inverse of 3 is 1 by 3. Is it right? I'm surely I will be right, because the inverse of 3 is one denominator of any the number is its own inverse. So if I multiply by 3 into 1 by 3, what's the answer? It is equal to 1. Okay, right. And this is the multiplication is always having the property of a commutative. That means if I change the position of the inverse as well as the present number, means you'll be getting same answer. That means what if I have this 1 by 3 here and 3 here, means what will be having 1 by 3 into 3, which will be equal to getting the 1. So from this equation 1 and 2, what we have, 3 into 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 into 3 equal to 1. Because both left hand side are same, is it right? Right hand side is common. So this is about the complete form of commutation. So now what I do, I just rub on this one completely, okay? So you please denote this as question number 3. It will be a simple question, but surely you could expect the gauge. So I just write here question number 3, okay? What they are given means the matrix P is the inverse of matrix Q. So Q is a matrix means, what is the Q inverse? Q inverse is equal to P. Okay, I do understand it right, surely. Q inverse equal to P. So P is the inverse of matrix Q. So if I denotes the identity matrix, so look at here. So if 3 is the a number, what's the inverse of 3? 1 by 3. If I multiply both these numbers, means I'll get the 1. 1 means what? In matrix is going to be identity. So automatically, so look at here, Q into Q is a 1. What's the Q inverse? Q inverse is P. So automatically if you multiply the number and the inverse, so I don't want to write Q inverse because Q inverse is equal to P, right? Which is equal to 1. So here we should not write 1 because this is a matrix, right? It's a matrix, not a number. So I have to write I, identity, is it right? So QP is equal to I. Automatically PQ also equal to I, right? Could you able to agree with me? Because multiplication of matrix is said to be commutative. Commutative means what? If I change the position of the any such number or any such matrix for in multiplication, the answer will be the sign. Okay, that's called commutative. So automatically, if you just look at here, which of the following is right, they asked. So PQ is equal to I. Surely PQ will be I, but QP is not equal. It's not possible. Okay, so 1 by 3, 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1. Will you say 1 by 3 into 3 not equal to 1? No, right? That also will be equal to 1. 1 by 3 into 3 is also equal to 1. So this option will be wrong. QP is equal to I, but PQ is not equal to I. Not possible. That's also wrong. PQ is equal to I surely, and QP is equal to I, because if I just multiply the actual number with the inverse will be giving I, and then inverse with the actual number will also giving the I. Okay, so right. That is like 3 into 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 into 3. That's called Y. So here they have given subtraction. No need of subtraction anything here because it will be surely completely inappropriate of this question. So automatically the option C is right. Okay. So it's very simple question. Just know about the multiplication of inverse and the actual number. So 3 is a number and inverse is 1 by 3, means we'll be giving the 1. So we change the situation, the change the complete place of this 1 by 3 into 3 also will be equal to 1. The same way Q is a matrix. So what is the Q inverse equal to P? Because they tell that inverse of the Q matrix is equal to P. So if you multiply Q into P is equal to I, and if you do the change of the position, P into Q also will be equal to I. So automatically these two will be right. Option C is right. Okay, I don't want to spend some more problem of this one. That will be surely understandable. Okay, thank you all. Let's see the next question.